We are facing a negative trend that has affected our injury rate recently. We had 6 medical treatment cases and 1 first aid case in only 2 months. Looking at the trends, all these incidents related to maintenance or breakdowns resulting in employee injuries due to a failure to identify hazards and apply the correct controls when conditions change. These incidents serve as sobering reminders of the importance of safe, responsible production. Stop, look, assess, manage, SLAM. Whether it's a change in equipment, environment, procedures, or conditions, we must remain vigilant in recognizing potential dangers. Take the time to assess the situation thoroughly before starting any task or if the task changes. We operate in a dynamic environment where conditions can change rapidly. What may have been safe yesterday or earlier might not be safe now. It's crucial to adapt to these changes and adjust our controls accordingly. Don't assume that the same controls will always be effective. Reevaluate the situation as conditions change and review your SLAM. Identifying hazards is only the first step. Applying the correct controls is very important. This has to involve the team for their input and understanding. Always communicate with your colleagues if you notice any changes or potential hazards. I care, buddy. By being proactive and reporting leading indicators, we can identify risks more effectively and implement appropriate controls to mitigate them. Finally, let's use these recent incidents as learning opportunities and ensure we do not experience the same at our other operations. Applying the characteristics of a safety leader is key to preventing future incidents. In conclusion, I urge each of you to prioritize safety in everything you do. Let's stop this trend and make sure we plan our jobs thoroughly before we start.